Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's something in there. There's something in there. Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? Dead meme? Okay, fine. I'm so sorry for that. What's up, guys? Today's video, I got a package from Ryder. So suck it. I bought it first. You didn't. I'm Cribs. Welcome to today's video. So, here's my Balisong box. Oh my gosh! Here's my Balisong box. If it shuts. And yeah, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. This is gonna be hopefully not upside down. So here's the package right here, and I'm so excited to actually do this. I'm gonna set my phone right here so I can see what's going on. I'm very excited. So yeah, dude, let's do this. Okay, yeah, editing magic, that doesn't work, okay? Still, my Evo, okay. My Evo's like the average flipper. So, and my Kraken is like my best flipper. So, let's see. Let's compare it. I bought the TF2. Ooh. Dang, holy crap, this is nice. Gotta make sure Ryder's not hiding anything from me in this. He's not. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. I'm nervous. This is, oh yeah. This is gonna be my first titanium knife. So, this is also exciting for me. And an anodized knife that's purple. So, you know I'm crazy for purple a little bit, right? And yellow. Yeah, that's okay. I might be a little too crazy for yellow and purple, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay. Oh, that's sick. Dude. Okay, so we got this Atropos sticker. And then we got the Balisong. Oh, wow. Holy crap, dude. Wait, what? No. There's no tap. There's no tap. There's no tap. That's sick. Okay, let me practice my average, frick. Not that. You'd be kind of weird if you saw that. Heard. What? So I've been practicing with my live blade. Just so when this came, I could not cut myself, because I hear this is a very sharp knife thing. Utility tool. Dude, I love the ano. Holy cow. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy crap. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Holy crap. This is way better than I expected. Dude. Okay. I did not expect this to be that good. When I first got this, I expected it to be somewhere in between the Lucha and my Evolution, because my Evolution has some good, like, lighter weight to it, but it's like 5.3 ounces or something. And my Lucha is like 6, so I expected it to be a little heavy. But no. Dude, this is cutting it close to my Kraken. Like, holy crap, I didn't expect this to be good. It came in my favorite color. Thanks, Ryder. Holy crap. Whoa. It actually feels light when you flip it. Like, it doesn't feel that heavy when you flip it. Dude. Dang, dude. Sharpness test. I'm shaking because I am so freaking excited. And it makes a really good sound. Dude, this is so full worth the money. I just do any trick I feel on it. Because, like, it's that good. Usually when you get, like, a Balisong, you feel like you can't, like, really do anything with it. You have to get used to it. But this is, like, something else, dude. Like, this, it's a little slim. I can tell it's a little slim compared to a lot of Balisongs. But, like, this is some different level crap right here. Like, Atropos is coming out with mean stuff. Plus this stonewash finish. Okay, so freakishly nice sound. Super nice ano. And Ryder got the ano custom, so that's sick. You can tell Atropos, hey, can you do this? And it'll most likely do it, is what I've heard. Dude, holy crap. Shoutouts to Ryder for selling this, man. Oh my gosh. Dang. Oh yeah, and we got spacers, so when you accidentally drop your sandwich construction Balisong, it's not gonna, like, freaking fall apart that easy because of the beefy spacers right here. Titanium spacers, okay? The entire knife is basically titanium and will last long. But I'm gonna try not to get cut because I hear it's a heavy cutter because of the weight. That's one of the main reasons why it's so sharp, is because of how heavy it is to some people. To me, this is actually really, like, a pretty light heavy knife. Like, it's mid-range. Like, it's not like, the Evolution, it runs on pure bearings, and so it has that extra swing. This runs on washers. I'm pretty dang sure it runs on washers. And so it's a different feel, and it moves a little slower because of that. Because it's not anything too forced. Holy crap. Oh yeah. And for the price, you also get this stonewash finish. And I believe the lowest you can get this. Holy crap. I can literally feel how sharp that is, and that's insane. But for the price it's insane. It's an insane Balisong. I love this thing. Holy crap. Dude, this is one of my favorite flippers of all time now. Holy crap. It's just that good. If I was competing in Blade Show next, not Atlanta, but for West, if I was competing for West, and we were allowed to use the Live Blade next, I would probably... I'm crappy with my dual. I would definitely take this one because one, it feels nicer, so you're gonna wanna like be pumping out new tricks, but also, holy crap, dude, that is so sharp. You're gonna be wanting to think this is my new Grail. Dude, this should be like a Grail to everyone else. If they ever flip this. This is like one of the best Balisongs I've ever flipped. What the heck? And I flipped a bunch of... I flipped a couple Balisongs from West. But this... Whoa. This is something else, dude. Anyways, next time some kid is like, hey, you're a guy from Valorant, I can be like, no, I'm the guy from TF2, you dumb. I'm just kidding. Kind of. But flips super nice. The screws are pretty noticeable. Because of how bulky they are. But I think, because of that, they will last longer. Yes! Nice. Okay. So the old Atropos knives also had a weird thing where people had to buy a new set of Torx bits. This thing is scary when you drop it or fail a trick. I heard people had to buy a new Torx bait set because he was using this dumb thing where it was an open Torx, so it was a different set of Torx, so people had to keep buying the new Torx if they got an Atropos knife. This came with, believe it or not, regular Torx. So you don't have to. I can literally use my ordinary Torx bits over here and be fine. Literally, this is my new favorite. This might be my new favorite in my entire collection. So, shout outs to Ryder. Ryder, you're the best. Thank you. This is legit. Thank you for selling me this, dude. Like, this is literally probably one of the best flippers in my collection. Whoa. That's weird. None of my other Balisongs can actually do that trick very well. Oh yeah, crap. I'll have to make a professional review about this after I'm done flipping it, but what's the balance on this? Here. It's right on that line where the NO is. So it's slightly blade biased, but I don't think you can feel that by that much because of how freakishly good this thing is. I would not want to get the Ring of Shame on this because I probably would lose my finger at all costs. So do not, note to self, don't flip this if I am failing chaplains very well, but luckily, in my case, chaplains are a breeze. Wow. Holy shiz, dude. Ooh. Dude. Double scissors. Double scissors for gosh dang reasons. It's better than my Kraken. It's literally the best of both worlds. Between my Kraken and Evolution, this has it both. Dude, holy cow. Anyways, I'm not going to talk much because I'm enjoying this thing. A little too much. I can't believe he makes them himself. This feels like a Balisong that's too good for this world. Okay? That's my new favorite thing to do, by the way, is that. But anyways, dude, this thing's awesome. I'm gonna make a review about this. But thank you, Ryder. Anyways. Dude, this is sick. I'm going to make a review on this soon, probably. Hopefully soon. I'll probably be lazy and not make one that soon. But dude, awesome. Anyways, shoutouts, big shoutouts to Ryder. Go subscribe to him. He sold me this, and dude, really cool guy. So go subscribe to him. Pretty funny. And yeah. To those who crapped on me for not knowing the price of this, I got a better deal than you would have. So get crapped on. I'm joking. Yeah, well, I'll see y'all later in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Very chill because of how much I love this. I think I'm enjoying this so much I can't even talk to you guys about it. I'll make a review just for that reason. So, yeah. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.